Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are talking about the topic that is Microsoft, Oxford University, and the words basically given to the Microsoft. So one of the person asked the question basically. Microsoft basically got the word right basically. Then it is the yes basically. Up to what level Microsoft basically have the access? Then he told that basically access means he can basically repair the leg, he can repair, he basically, his data basically might damage the leg. His data basically might damage the heart, his data basically might repair the heart also. Same way head also basically. So one of the person told that basically that he might basically create the human needs, and his human needs basically will create a set of movement also basically. Then he told that yes basically. So one of the person told that basically in future basically the earth planet is going to move that side basically after 70 years. So he told that basically yes basically. So that area basically where the earth planet is going to move and going to reach, that time basically the this third word this three this 35 words basically will be going to play one role basically. So he told that yes basically. So that role basically, for that basically he might be doing the preparation basically. Then he told that yes that 5 crore population basically, I have taken the example of human clone basically. So he will be preparing project managers, service delivery heads, CEO, company owners, and the bank managers, bank directors, then the owner of the company, then might be possible prime minister, presidents of lots of country. So he might be finishing his 35 words basically. In this basically, these all are the basically projects basically he will be doing. Then he told that yes, just to basically, why basically reason is earth planet is going to move to that side after 70 years. Then he told that yes, for that basically he is preparing this all these things basically. Then he told that yes, few areas basically is preparing, from that area basically is going to generate few planets, each and everything basically he told. Then he told that yes basically. So like this basically he is going to do each and everything basically. Then he told that yes basically he is going to connect to each and everything basically. So this is actually what basically, this is the future plan. This is actually the future plan of the Microsoft basically. Same way basically. This all basically contains in the future plan only basically. Now basically in Accenture basically also have some plan. He basically also will get some word. But this all basically groups contains inside the Microsoft basically. Because this all basically companies creates the project on the base of base project. Base software means .NET. .NET basically is created from whom? That is created from Microsoft basically. So Infosys comes under Microsoft basically. Infosys comes under Java. Infosys comes under SAP basically. So they basically gives the words basically that you have to do these projects basically. They will be, the Microsoft will be giving just one word basically. In that one word basically it might be containing more than 20,000 to 30,000 projects, and it might possible that from few words only basically it might connect to more than 2 to 3 lakh projects basically for the set of companies basically. And the companies basically, Microsoft like company basically never gives the project to one side basically, that is to one company. He gives the projects to multiple company because he have basically client in multiple companies basically. So he will never give the projects to one company basically. He will always divide the project basically. Like this basically he will be giving the project basically. So like this he told that basically okay basically. So this way basically the future plans basically are decided. So one of the person told that basically after 10 minutes which satellite will give the earthquake to the India. Then he told that basically That also depends upon the future plan basically. For example, Microsoft is creating something, and that is basically 100% tracked by the satellite groups. Then he told that yes, by default tracked by the SAP is developing some projects, Cognizant is developing some projects. He basically are developing certain projects basically. Suddenly basically earthquake came basically within 10 minutes. That basically was not predicted by the technology department and the earthquake disaster department also. That basically earthquake came from the satellites. Satellite data basically, the satellites data basically, the earth planet group basically does not have basically. That is the earthquake department. They don't have the data. They only have the data, those data basically, which is the data that is basically the power supply data. On the base of that basically the earthquake is going to come basically. That is 100%, 98%. So here basically thing is, uh, earthquake is going to, so one of the Microsoft people and some people basically done some mistake basically, or SAP company done some mistake. Due to that basically immediately the earthquake will come within the 10 seconds, 10 minutes basically, because they also required some tracking data, right, basically, that this object basically is connecting to up to what level basically. For example, from here to here basically movement basically in the sky or basically in the universe, from here to here movement basically which Microsoft Energy is going to move the earth planet, there basically some error basically was found. That was basically the mismatch of the data basically. The data basically which Microsoft was preparing or SAP was preparing, there basically was some error was there basically. So they immediately given the earthquake, and that basically the earthquake happened basically. And like this basically they given the indication that basically some error is basically there basically in the creation. So Microsoft basically, SAP group basically, their owners basically are directly connected with the satellite groups basically. They immediately gets the information that basically some error basically is, our project is ongoing. So they are always aware basically, that is 24 hours basically they are aware. So one of the person told that basically how much money basically the Microsoft group, SAP group, this group basically, the Oracle group basically, the Java groups are earning. But see the risk level also basically. The earth planet is going to move to 70 after 70 years at this side basically. So that basically plan Microsoft is doing. So there basically some here to here movement basically, our planet is going to move. There basically he got some error basically. So in this basically he connected with the data basically. So like this basically things also basically are there basically. So like this also things basically happen. So 10 minutes basically, for example, assume that basically Microsoft SAP group basically are creating some project in India basically, or basically assume that in Delhi basically, and they basically tracked basically some error basically. Just assume basically they tracked. So within 10 minutes the earthquake is going to come basically. They tracks the data basically, which all are data basically that is getting wrongly prepared. Or basically assume that basically in Bangalore basically Microsoft SAP group basically are creating some project. In that basically the error basically came. Or basically the in Vadodara city they are creating some project. In that basically the error came. In Surat basically, in Ahmedabad basically they are creating some project, some error basically came. Some just taking as an example basically. So they basically, the satellite group will immediately basically fire the earthquake basically, and that will be from the satellite group basically. And that means the indication basically that the project which is going basically, there something error is basically there. So immediately track that error basically. So that basically whenever the earthquake comes basically, that report the Microsoft and SAP group will take basically, and they will be understanding basically from which line basically the error is there basically. So that data basically they will recorrect. So just see basically the earthquake report system basically also, which is used by the, that's why basically the France group basically are earning lots of money now basically. Why they are earning lots of money basically? Because France is also one of the biggest technology company basically, sorry, biggest technology country basically. So they are how basically earning the money, this earthquake data basically, the Microsoft will ask for the report. So that report basically will might be costing in crores basically, crores of rupees basically. Russia, sorry, the France group basically might be asking. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.